our previous video, we set up our password in our Laravel 9. So now in this session, we're going to create model view controller for authors and books model. So for now, let's create PHP artisan make model authors / mcr. What it does is it will create a resource controller with model view and migration. So enter it. Now there is author controller. There is author controller. It's taking time, it's not completed yet, so it will take some time. So it will create model view on our database. Yeah, alright, so look at this. It will create the author, and also it will create a migration file, that is this author migration file. So let's add a field here, $table. Let's copy this rather than entering everything. So first is string. As you can see, we have ID, name, email, phone number, and password. So for that, let's create a string, and here, sorry, my keyboard is not pressing well. So let's create a name field with 120 character, and let's create email as well, email, and also create password, and then create phone number. Let's delete that. So similarly, let's create PHP artisan make model, and then book, and then dash mcr. So what mcr does is it will create a migration model and controller of same name. So here is migration created, also here model books created, and also in author. Now it's working, so it will be done in a second. Alright, so it's a book controller also created. So after that, so similarly, let's copy this one, go to book migration, and here ID, let's make it unsigned integer, and name will be author underscore ID. This is for foreign key. And then let's create title, email title, and description, and we don't need this one. Description will be long, so let's define as text. Then integer, and this will be book underscore cost. So if you see here, book underscore, we have all the fields created. Also, we don't need this one. We don't need timestamp. So let's uncomment it. Then go to our model called book controller, book model in here, and this disable timestamp by doing $timestamps. It's called false. Alright, so after that, Let's migrate our table we just created. Go to our browser and let's check if file is created or not. So on Yeti app, we have a new file called authors, or database table called authors and books. So we have successfully created our migration file. So we're going to have an authors table with a login username and password. So we need to add this one. This one has a paid token in our author model here, and also we need to add this one use. So copy it and paste it on. As factory has a pay token, so just copy it on author. And also we need to go to config author PHP and then change it to authors. So this is how we create migration file, controller file, and model file in Laravel, and we have just completed setup of our basic tables. That is table of author table and book table, and we have also migrated to our server. As you can see, we have authors and book field here. So that's it for this video.